All right, welcome back to another video in the College Algebra series. Today we're going to be covering how to determine whether a function is even or odd or neither. Okay, this is kind of a weird concept. It really has no use other than just knowing whether a function's even or odd. Okay, in the grand scheme of things, it doesn't help you solve any equation any easier. It's just kind of a bit of information that's useful or handy to know, right? And so how you determine this, it's kind of weird, is you have to, so you're given an equation, f of x. If you put in f of negative x into your equation and you get f of x, if you get the same function that you started with, if you put in negative x into your equation, you get the original equation out. That thing is considered even, okay? If you put in f of negative x and you get negative f of x, right? You get everything, but all that's changed are the signs. The equation looks identical, but all the signs have been flipped. Then that thing is considered odd, okay? And then if you get something that does not match at all, no sign change, then different, completely different sign change, then it's neither. Okay, so I have 3 examples. Hopefully you can kind of see this. It is kind of weird, and like I said, it really doesn't have any, in the grand scheme of like being able to solve things, this really doesn't matter. It's just kind of something useful to know, right? So f of negative x, so if we take f of x equals x cubed minus x, and we put in negative x, we will get negative x cubed minus negative x. Okay, so if we cube it, we get negative x cubed plus x. So you have to ask yourself, okay, does this match my original function? Well, no, it does not. So it's not even. Okay, does it match it, but everything, all the signs are different? Well, in the original function, negative x, or x cubed was positive, and this one down here, I got x cubed to be negative, okay? And then my other term was negative x, and then this one I get positive x. So everything matches except for the sign, all the signs have been changed, right? So this would be considered an odd function. Okay, now this one, f of x equals 2x squared. So if I put in negative x into my equation, 2 times x squared, negative x squared, well, negative x squared is positive x squared, so you have 2x squared. Now, you ask yourself, okay, does this match what I originally started with? Yes. So this would be considered an even function. Okay. And then you look at this, you have f of x equals 3x squared minus 2x plus 4. So I put in f of negative x into my equation. So you have 3 times negative x squared minus 2 times negative x plus 4. Okay, so negative x squared is positive x, so it would be 3x squared. Negative 2 times negative x would be plus 2x, and then you have plus 4. Okay, so now you ask yourself, okay, does this match this, my original equation? Well, everything matches except for my 2. My original equation was negative, now it's positive, right? So it's not even. And then you ask yourself, okay, is everything the same, but the signs are different? Well, the first term, the signs are the same, and the last term, the signs are the same. The only one that's changed is the middle term. So because of this, it's not even, it's not an odd. This thing is neither. Okay. What does that truly mean? Who knows? There's probably some really smart math people, and y'all might kill me. But I mean, in the grand scheme of things, it really doesn't. It really doesn't matter. It's just kind of a weird question that sometimes gets asked in college algebra. So yeah. So this is neither. That's how you find even, odd, or neither. If you have any questions, I know sometimes they ask some kind of weird, different ways of asking this. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments below, or you can email me, and I'd be glad to help. Thanks.